Hook. An idea is not an application yet. Something has to turn that idea into shipped working software. Why it matters? Without a process, you get bugs and rework. With the SDLC, you get better quality, faster delivery, and lower risk. Concept clarity. The SDLC is a repeatable life cycle of stages: plan, design, build, test, deploy, maintain, and loop back. Core system flow. Each stage transforms the same work. Requirements become a design, then code, then a tested build, then a live release. Visual breakdown. Inside the build stage, Frontend, API, Backend, and database are wired together, with data flowing as requests and responses. Deploy and maintain. Code passes CI gates, is promoted dev to staging to production, and monitoring feeds learnings back into the cycle. Takeaway. The SDLC turns ideas into secure, reliable, scalable applications.